What impact have interest rates had in the real estate market in 2022, and what do I see happening to interest rates in 2023? It's Mark Gellman, eXp Realty, St. Louis, Missouri. It has been an amazing run in a bad way for interest rates. Spring market, March approximately 3.5% for a 30-year. June rose to about 5.5% for a 30-year. September rose to almost 7, maybe 7.5%. Then we saw a decrease in interest rates down to about high 5s, and today they're back up to about 6.5. The impact it has is twofold. Number one, the impact it's had on buyers is buyers psychologically are not prepared to buy in this market with those type of interest rates. Their buying power went significantly down. Now, there are still buyers in this market. We're seeing buyers still prepared to buy, but the impact has been significant that for a great majority of buyers that were in the market at 3.5% that could not find a home in the spring market, many of those got out of the market in the late fourth quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter because they just couldn't tolerate the new interest rates or the expenses related. Now, what did that happen for sellers? Sellers in the spring market did not want to sell. They could sell great home, but they didn't know where they were going to go. Now that same seller in today's market doesn't want to trade up the interest rate. They have a great home still that's going to sell, but they're at 2.5%, 3%. Now they're going to have to buy and go into a 6% or higher. So again, the impact has been on both buyers and sellers. And that's really the reason that we see the market come to a halt. What do we see going into 2023? A lot of the same thing with interest rates. I don't believe we're going to see these huge swings that we saw from the spring market to the third and fourth quarter. But I think there's still going to be instability. There's going to be ups, there's going to be downs. Buyers may get used to this new norm of an interest rate, which would be positive for the market. And sellers, they again may be prepared to sell and then buy in this market. But we don't see any major change in interest rates. The Fed has not given us really any indicator either. If you have any questions about buying, selling, investing, don't hesitate to reach out to us.